As students, today we will discuss about do while loop in C programming. So see the syntax here, very simple one. So do is a keyword here. So when the control enters into the do, it will execute the body. So here the importance of do loop is at least once it will going to execute the statement, at least once. Okay, so that is the importance here. So a body will going to be executed after entering into the do. So again you can able to do the update operation. So you can able to update like a increment or decrement like that. Again while condition, you can able to see this while condition. Here mention the condition. If the condition is true, again it will come back to the do. Again it will want to print the body. Again it will want to update. Again it will want to check the condition. If the condition is false, just it will come out of the program. That's it, very simple. Again when it comes to the do while loop, here you can able to see the steps, control flow steps. So first one it will enter into do. Second one it will enter inside the body of the loop. Here whatever the statements is available, that will be executed. So after executing the statement, it will enter into the updation I plus plus or I minus minus, increment or decrement. So that is left to you. Again it will enters into the while loop. Again in the while condition there will be condition. That condition will be, if satisfied, it will be true. So then it will come back to the do. Again it will come back to do again. Again it will going to do same procedure. Second step it will going to go to the second statements. Second step it will go to the statements again. Third step updation. Again fourth it will go to the condition. Again it will going to check whether it is true or false. So if it is true, again continue the same procedure. If it is false, suppose if it is false, this is just it will terminate executing the loop. Again just it will come out of the statements, that is it will come out of the program, out of the statements. It will point to end over there. So this is all about do while. So let's see in the real time example. So you can able to see the flow chart. Do while loop. So statement will going to be executed. After that it will going to check the condition. If it is true, again it will going to execute the statements. If it is false, it will going to come out of the outside of the do while loop. So this is the flow chart we have to understand. Again a small program you can able to see this one. So based on that we will want to write a program. So let's write this one. Integer, I will going to take a variable a again. So what I will going to do, first I will going to say print the enter the value of a. Enter the value of a, I will going to say. Fine. So semicolon is must. Again scanf. Why? Because I want to take the input. So that's why scanf function. Again double quotes for format specifier. This is %d because integer. Again comma, that is ampersand address of a. So as per the variable you mentioned while you were declaring. So this is what you have to do first. After that you have to do this do, open the condition, open the body. Again here we have to print like this: printf, printf, printf. So here what you have to do, the value of, so in format specifier what I will want to mention, the value of the value of a, that is %d. The value of a is equal to %d. Again next line I will want to mention, next line again I will want to mention comma again. So that value, that variable, that is a. So comma again. After this I wanted to increment this one. I plus plus I will do I plus plus. Okay, so after that I wanted to just increment, so that is the reason I am writing this. Again here I will going to write while just mention the condition. What condition you wanted to mention? A is, suppose if I give the value a is equal to 0, so 0 is less than 5 like that. You can able to mention 0 is less than 5 like that, 0 equal to 5. So this is up to you people how you want to mention again. So in the statement, while statement, do while statement. So do will going to start from here, again it will going to end here. So this part is very very important. So let me run this. I plus plus. Guys, this is not a plus plus, a plus plus. I'm sorry. So now it's okay, fine. Run this again. Enter some value less than 5. So I will want to enter 0. So you can able to see. So when I enter 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is mentioning very clearly. You can able to see at least once it will going to execute. Yes or no? At least once 0 is executing. After that it will going to increment again. So it will going to check 0 is less than or equal to 5. So again it will going to increment 1. It will going to increment. First it will going to print the value of 0. It is printed already. Again it will going to increment 0 plus 1 1. 1 is less than 5. So that's what again it will going to print 1, again 2, again 3, 4, 5, like that it will going to print. So but when it comes to 5, so here, so when you increment 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 is greater than 5. That is the reason why it will not going to complete the loop once again. So that's why it will going to terminate here as per the control flow. So this is how it will going to work. Please make sure that, so while you are declaring, mention this semicolon is must here. So we wanted to end the do while loop. That is the reason. Okay, thank you very much.